So Pappajohn, it's all one word, not the pizza place, Sculpture Park. It's on a little over 4 acres. It's like 4.4 acres. And it has over 30 statues. In 2009, when it opened up with 24 statues. And it's a great gateway into downtown Des Moines. So when you come in, it runs right into downtown. If you've seen any of my videos in the past, you know I'm not necessarily the art connoisseur. Maybe I'm just not refined. I just don't understand how a glob of extra material is art. And this piece over here, it looks like a turd got dropped onto something. See what I mean? It's just like, how is that art? So I think the hare is trying to figure out how the turtle beat him. That one's dark. Is it symbolizing the emptiness of our souls? If y'all wondering why your insurance with Nationwide is so expensive, they dropped over $1 million in a donation for these sculptures. Hey, Nationwide, if you're watching, I could throw some stuff together too for $1 million. Call me. What is that supposed to be? I swear I'm going to become an artist. Now, the main reason I wanted to come here and look at this sculpture park, one, I do enjoy art as long as I can understand the symbolism behind it. Not like somebody on crack just put 2 sticks together and they called it art. It's this huge hollow person that's made out of just letters, and it's pretty cool because they're kneeling, and I just feel like it symbolizes how much we have going on in our lives, and if we just took a moment to pause, we could just kind of gather it all together. So check it out. I was walking around trying to figure things out, I saw this. Tell me what this looks like. Looks like the yellow one's mad at the blue one and about to go for a field goal. You know what I mean? Interesting building right there, right? So I went to go see what it is. There's some government offices in there, and then the come and go headquarters is there. So you can come and then you can go. Can you guess what this artwork is called? Give me a minute. It's called Seating for 8. Seating for 8. You get it? Because there's 8 seats. Pretty original. Well, that completes our time here at the Pappajohn Sculpture Park. Let me know what you liked about it. And while you're watching this, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, please. Really help me out. And it's free. The park is open from sunrise to midnight. And the American Dream Machines is like right there. So parking on the street is $1.25 an hour, up to 4-hour maximum. If you come on a Sunday, parking is free. On Saturday night, parking is free after 9 p.m.